2023 Ram ProMaster. Little crack on the mirror cover here. Interior is in really good shape. Seats are good, pretty clean. It's got the stanchion here, some metal shelves. Everything else pretty much an empty shell. You can build about anything you want in here. Looks like there's some dents, scrapes, and body damage right here on this panel. Up top, it's a little bit of scraping, but the big scrape right here. And you got some scrapes on the molding. Probably the same incident, whatever happened here. Scratched onto the molding there. Tires look good. In the rear looks like there's some, I don't know, it's just some water from rain this morning. The doors open here. Pretty clean van for the money, I'll say that. Looks like this. Looks like that top latch up top there might be sticking a little bit, so it kind of makes the rear door hard to close. Yeah, it looks like the bottom is open a little bit compared to the top. We'll see if it registers an open door. Got a little bit of a scratch here, have a ding here. Looks like a little scratch and dent here. Some more scraping here on this molding, and right here you can see. Kind of see that scrape better. It's a little bit longer than it looks in the video. Here it looks like something inside may have hit the wall. You can kind of see where it's coming out a little bit here, and then also right here. So some cargo must have shifted inside. A little, I think this is in the clear coat, another scrape here. Really clean interior. Everything works. The radio works great. Seats are in great shape. I'll pop the hood open for you. Really clean engine, quiet. Go inside. What I did notice. Okay. All right. So we got the key fob here. I think this is designed to, you push this, hold it up against the button in order to start it. Because it says on the messages, we'll just go one at a time. I filled up the tires. I believe 2 of the sensors are reading the wrong pressure, so they either have to be reprogrammed or replaced if they're bad. That's why it's saying on the driver's side rear tire is low. It's also saying the driver's side front tire is low, and they're both perfect as far as pressure, all 4 tires. So the sensors on the driver's side could be bad, or if it's reading the wrong tire, it could be the sensors on the passenger side. But I would just have the sensors checked out. Pretty cheap to do that. It says the key fob battery is low. I'm going to go ahead and check it and replace the battery for that. Now it's saying the daytime running light is out, and I think that's because, and the license plate light bulb is out. And I think that's because the left turn signal bulb is low, which is preventing the daytime running lights from coming on. So if you replace the left bulb and also the license plate bulb, I think it'd be good. So that's probably 14 bucks for the bulbs, and you just put them in yourself. And that's all these messages would be cleared out for that. So very minor stuff. I mean, for $28,000, you can't beat this deal. It's #1 in the country. AC blows ice cold, radio works, everything's functional on it, and it's in good shape. Hopefully you like what you see.